will be freezing, yeah. You are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever. We'll have some fun.
Hey, I'm Star BB from Slime Specialty, and if you're new, then a big welcome to you. So today we are finally back because I hate editing more than anything in the universe. So I refuse to edit, and then I have a bunch of videos filmed, and then I don't edit them, so I can never post them. So great. Anyways, today we are going to be making, or I'm going to be teaching you how to make some base slime. Yeah. If you haven't already, subscribe, check out my social medias down in the description box below, comment your favorite type of slime, and like this video, turn on post notifications and stuff like that. Yeah. I'll have my Instagram and yeah, that's the only social media I have. My Instagram link down below, and definitely go follow it because I just created a new account and lost all my followers because none of them are active. So great. Yeah, enjoy the video. So this is the first slime we're going to be making. We're going to be making 2 slimes overall. The first one we're going to make is just a basic white glue slime. It's really basic and just really simple to make, but it's also one of my favorites since it's so simple. Yeah. What you'll need for this is white glue, preferably Elmer's, but like you can use almost any brand, I'm pretty sure. And then you'll also need, for my type of activator, you can use baking soda and concentrate solution, but you can also use any other activators, and yeah. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put in your glue, which I already did. Also, for me, if you're using concentrated solution and baking soda, also your baking soda. For this step, you can add food coloring, but I decided not to. You can also add like lotion or anything, but I also decided not to because I'm just going to bake a basic slime, like super basic. So in this clip, I'm just adding activator, and you just want to do that until the slime stops sticking into the bowl. So I'll get back to you when that happens. So then I got impatient and added another pinch of baking soda because why not? Okay, back to really fast stirring for you. Okay, so then stupid me decided to take it out of the freaking bowl, even when it wasn't like fully activated yet. Don't recommend doing that because it's literally the worst thing to clean up ever. Like, I have made a mistake and it's still really sticky and I'm sorry. And then I cut out like 10 minutes worth of footage. Because yeah, and then I finally got my slime to stop being super sticky. So now I can finally do some ASMR with it. So enjoy!
Wow, Inflation Nation, I totally didn't mix it with another bass line I already had.